It's me again. It's been a while since we've done one of these, but today I sort of want to talk about something a little different than what I've been blathering on about like an idiot the last couple of videos. Regret and sadness and pain. Everybody lives with a little regret in their lives from people that they've hurt or, various other things, and I'm very regretful to the people that I've hurt, and today I actually had an opportunity to make amends with one of the people that I hurt most in this world, and never actually really forgave myself for it. So I had actually put the word out on Twitter that I was looking to speak with her, and I was very surprised when she got in contact with me. And what makes it even more interesting is her and I have been through a lot together, and I did say some very hateful, very negative, very mean things to and about her, and I regretted it every minute of every second of every day. And I am not by any means a saint here, and I'm not claiming to be one. What I am claiming to do right now is to basically say to you guys, look, if you feel sad or stressed because someone that you thought you knew, grew up differently or changed in some form or fashion and you didn't like it, support them. Be there for them. I lost this amazing girl as a friend because I was stupid. And it happened again very recently. And instead of accepting it and moving on like I should have, I said some very mean, some very hateful things to this person. Again, this other girl today that I tweeted about. I know the power of words. I know how much words can hurt, especially now. I am actively trying to be better at that. I am actively trying not to hurt people who I claim to love most in this world. At the end of the day, watching what you say is more important than anything else. They always say, what is the old saying? Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words can never hurt me. That's not true at all. That's this way. That's the least truest thing. I think words do hurt, and this is my mea culpa, and I have had time to think on all of the people that I've said words to, even the ones that I don't like, but I have respect for. This is my fight song, I guess. Come on. So, no, come on. Go.